Hello, Namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, healthy. Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Today I'll show you how to place order on jiomart and Smart Bazaar. Okay, let me tell you what is Smart Bazaar. This is an addition to jiomart. Now I'll share you the benefits of using jiomart and Smart Bazaar. All the first users of or the new users of jiomart can use coupon code JMFLAT100 JMFL80 to get 100 off on the first order, but the minimum order should be 600 rupees. Now coming to benefits of using Smart Bazaar on jiomart, you've got 250 cashback on first 3 orders. When you place an order on Smart Bazaar, you can explore Smart Bazaar because you have got 5 rupees products and great deals over there with offers and coupons. You can check out. I'll show you how to place the first order in order to get 250 cashback on your first 3 orders in the later part of the video, so do watch. Okay, as you all know, jiomart is an online store which includes not only daily essentials to shop, you've got electronics and lot more. You can place an order and you will get free delivery at your doorsteps with minimum order value 250 rupees, and it may take 2 to 5 days to deliver your order. Now without any delay, we'll see how to place first order on jiomart as well as on Smart Bazaar. As you see in the picture, you have to get the app from the Google Play Store. You install the app, click on open. Now this is how it looks once you install the app. Sign in with your mobile number, enter your mobile number and click on get OTP. Then you'll be asked to give permission. Click on proceed. You'll be directed to the home screen of jiomart as you see in the picture. If you wish to see any coupons or offers that are available on jiomart, you can click on 3 lines as you see in the picture, and you see here offer store and coupon store. You can click on them and see. As you see in the picture, I've got 11 coupons here. One is expiring soon. If you wish to have one, you can copy the code and proceed to shop on jiomart. Okay, now come back. You see all the offers that are available here. You have got 80% off, and not only that, you have got here 49 rupees store. As you scroll down, you've got top categories from grocery to electronics. You can check out. As I said, you have got 99 rupees store. You can click on that. If you want, you can use sort and filter. You can click on sort. You can use any of the options as shown in the picture, and also filters. As you see, select and click on apply. I've selected here according to price and discount. You can do so. Okay, for quick shopping, you can give your product name in the search bar as shown in the picture. Here I'm giving mobile phones. Now you can add to cart whatever the products you want. Otherwise, you can move to the wish list as shown in the picture. Just you have to click on add button as you see here. After adding all the products to cart, go to cart. Here you got to apply coupon. As you see in the picture, you just have to click on apply coupon. After clicking on that, you will see plenty of coupons coming up. Old users can apply the coupons that are available right over there. But for new users, you can apply coupon JMFL80 100. Again I repeat, JMFL80 100. After entering the code, just click on apply. Now click on place order. You can use many of the payment offers that are available on payment page and place your order. That's it, done. Okay, this is how you can place your first order on jiomart. Now we'll proceed with the next, as how to place order on Smart Bazaar. As you see in the picture, you've got jiomart and Smart Bazaar. You just have to click on Smart Bazaar and this kind of page appears before you. You've got super deals here. You've got 49 rupees store, 99 rupees store. If you want any product in particular, you can give in the search bar the product name and all the products will appear, and you can add to cart the products you want. You can even use sort and filter, as I said earlier. Now after adding all the products to the cart, just click on apply coupon. Here you can apply coupon AUG100. Of course, you can select any other coupons that matches your category that you shop. Here I have shopped for grocery and I have applied this coupon AUG100. Okay, after applying the coupon, you'll get 100 off on your order, as you see in the picture. And not only this discount, you'll be getting 100 rupees cashback on your first order. Of course, in the beginning of the video, I have said 250 cashback on your first 3 orders, but 250 cashback is split into 3. The first order would be 100 rupees and rest of the 2 orders would be 75 rupees cashback. Now you can click on place order, as you see in the picture. After you click, you can click on make payment. You can use bank offers or any other payment offers that are available over there. Otherwise, you can go for cash on delivery. Now, after making payment, your order is placed. That's it, done. This is how you can avail the benefit of placing your first order on Smart Bazaar. So how is the addition of Smart Bazaar to jiomart? Is it helpful to you? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have got any doubts regarding coupons or any other deals or offers, I'll help you out. You can ask me in the comment section. Okay, if any of you are watching my video for the first time and are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. And thank you all for subscribing and liking and sharing and commenting on this video. Have a good day. Keep smiling.